In this video, I'll be taking you through how to fund your Skrill account. I'm currently in Nigeria and I'll be showing you through how to fund your Skrill account. You can see I did a video recently on how to create and open your Skrill account without deposit. That is without you funding the account. You will also see the link to that video below the description of this video. You can see that my Skrill account is already verified without the initial deposit. Look at it, your account is verified and your limit have increased. So I did that without funding my account. Skrill will always make you fund the account before they verify your account and lift the limit. But I will be taking you through how to actually now put money in your account. You can see this is my account. Pay online, add money to your wallet and pay on popular site. Just choose Skrill in checkout. You explore, you complete the registration by adding money, because before you can pay money or buy crypto or send money, you have to put money in the account. You click continue. You have to deposit by clicking deposit. You have to add your card. So I'll be adding my card here. I have already added my card. It is advisable that you do not save your card to avoid hacking and preventing you losing your money. Though they promise to keep your account safe. You click this place to add the card and continue. So I'll be depositing $1.1 as a test. Do you want this money to be available for payment on Garden? No. You cannot use this money to fund these activities when you use MasterCard. So you click continue. And this will be the balance in the account. Then you get this reward points when you complete deposit. Confirm. You can see the account is funded initial $1.1 and I also fund the account with $1.5. That is making $2.6 that is in my account. These are to fund and deposit into your Skrill account from anywhere in the world. I actually use Payoneer card. I did a video on how to order your Payoneer card. The first thing you need to do is to register with Payoneer, and you can now order your Payoneer MasterCard, either virtual or physical card. To watch that video on how to create your account with Payoneer and order your card, you come to Ask Jofa YouTube channel. This is how to create your Skrill account. This video is about how to create your Payoneer account and open your US bank account. This particular video will take you through how to order your Payoneer virtual card from anywhere in the world. So you can see this was the second amount I deposited. So deposit successful. So it can be very difficult to fund your account, but one of the best way to fund your account is to use your Payoneer MasterCard, either virtual or physical card from anywhere in the world. Kindly use my Payoneer link to create your Payoneer account. If you do that, Payoneer will give you a gift of $25. So this is how to fund and deposit money into your Skrill account from anywhere in the world.